computer. All right, hello, this is Matt Turner. Today is Friday, June 19th, 2020. I'm here with Don. We're going to be showing you guys how to use SlyText as an option, an alternative option for Scipio. So I'm going to share my computer screen here and hopefully do this in a pretty fast, clear, concise manner. We've got, all right, so I'm on SlyText, and they have an option which is $50 a month right now is 5,000 text messages. And you can bump that up to, I think it's $100 a month is 12,000 text messages in a month. So if you're doing the V-marketing strongly every week consistently, you probably should be sending somewhere around 10 to 15,000 texts in a month. So I would suggest starting at the $50 a month option, the 5,000 texts a month. And then as you get more comfortable and you're maxing that out, bump it up to the $100 one and do the 12,000 text. So, but anyway, so I've got, it's pretty simple, the format. We've got, I can use this plus here to create a contact or create a group. This is individual contacts, this is groups, and here's my settings. I'm going to go to groups, and I'm going to create a group. I see I've got V-Marketing 1 group here. I'm actually going to go and copy this message. First, let me just copy that. Okay. I'm going to create a group. So I click on create a group, enter a group name. Let's do V-Marketing 3. And then you can, here's the format it wants it in, but I'm going to upload because I've already, I have my leads on my Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to import a CSV file. So I'm going to choose the CSV, choose a file. It's going to find it on my desktop here. The most recent one. I've got about, I think it's 400 contacts. So I click on that, open, and it's going to upload. This upload's pretty fast. So it's going to do this according to last name. You just got to make sure in your top column, it's like first name, last name, address, city, etc. And scroll, not save, but scroll down a little bit more. There's an import. Click import. And look at that. Look how fast that imported. 400 members. Boom. Already inputted. Great. I'm going to save this. There's my V-Marketing 3 group. Awesome. So I'm going to click on this. So this is the group. Even though it doesn't look like there's a bunch of contacts in there, it's V-Marketing 3, and then there's that like air horn, bullhorn type thing. It means I'm going to be blasting out this message to the entire group. I've already got my message pasted or copied, so I'm going to paste it in there. If you didn't, I just go back into one of your groups and get the message. I don't think I'm capped on how many characters I can use in here. So whereas the couple other versions only allow you to do like 150 characters or 160 characters, Scipio allows you to do 320 characters in a text. I have not seen a cap on this yet. Still, I wouldn't make your text longer than 320 characters. But let's say this. Hey, this is Matt Turner. I'm just following up the best way. Following up on your inquiry about the best ways to make money online. We have a system, and I'd like to prove it to you first. Show you that it works, and with some effort, we'll build into a great income for you. Are you still wanting to make money from home? I'm going to put their name in here, and I could do that by saying, hey, hashtag name. Okay, see that it pops up, hey, hashtag name. So what this is going to do, if I'm sending this to John Smith, let's just say, it's going to say, hey, John Smith. Then I'm going to change this to, it's Matt Turner. So I have my name in there. It's always good to put your name in these messages because people are like, who is this? Who is this? It's Matt Turner. I'm just following up. Okay, so that's good. I like that. I'm going to send that. I'm going to go over to here. Oh, I could also add a picture if I wanted to. Sometimes let's just send it without the picture first. Sometimes it helps to send with the picture because it like forces the text to go through. They're more likely to be delivered to your recipient if you add a picture. So you would just do that by clicking add an attachment here. And you could add a wow, I don't know what this is. Add audio, add a video, or add a picture. This is an image, so add an image. If I click that, it's just going to pull up my desktop, and I could pick, I don't know, any sort of picture. I don't know. Maybe I have something on here, but I want to send it without, because I've been sending. I'm just going to hit cancel. I've sent it with a picture, and I got a really high deliverability rate. And I sent just a text before, and I got maybe about 50%. I don't know if it was a bad batch of numbers or what, but let's just see. So I'm going to hit this send right there, and there it goes. So now they're going to be delivered. This little report, I could click on this report here, and it's a little small to read, but it says report, and it'll tell me how many have been delivered, how many have failed, and it will give me the timestamp of it and the delivery status. The delivered ones will be in green, the failed ones will be in red, there's a timestamp, and it's going to slowly send out these messages. I'd say I've got 400 in here. I'd say this is going to take about 20 minutes if I had to guess. Again, I just started using this. But then as the text messages come in, I'm going to go back here, or I could hit this Sly Text here, but they'll start coming in here. You know, Rhonda responded the other day, Kelly responded. This was all yesterday. So anyway, you can click on the individual text. Let's see if I go back to, oh, geez, you got some doozies on people that answer. Let's see. Like here's one. Let's just say Christy. If I click on Christy, now you can see that's highlighted. It goes into the conversation with Christy here. Pulling up, just give it a second. And right, so I sent that pretty much that same one. She said, yes, sir. Then I confirmed her email, right? We have something very special. Prefer proving it. It's better than telling you first. Or you can just follow your V-marketing text, the scripts, copy, paste. I confirmed her email in here. And then, and she hasn't responded yet. She's like, not yet. So maybe it'd be send her another. If I wanted to send her another message, I could say, Christy, let's see, question mark. The best email for you. And then I'm going to, I think, oh, okay. I thought maybe I could put that pound symbol and then email, but let me show you how to get her email. If I go up here to these three buttons, settings, I believe it gives me her contact info. You know what? I can't remember exactly where it was. There's a spot where it has her contact, all of her contact info with their email and everything. Let's just go back to, I will find that for you guys later. I'm going to send her a quick text now, though. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this email. I must have got it from the leads section. So type that again, Christy, question mark. Is this the best email for you? And copied it again. Okay, so I'm going to send it. Also, to point out here, remaining credits. See, it's keeping track of how many credits I have. And as you send out text messages, it will reduce the amount of credits. I think it's the same amount of credits if I added a picture as a text. Let's also, I want to find this Christy character. Let's get her phone number. I'm going to go to this here, contacts. And I'm going to search in contacts. I'm going to paste her phone number here. Give it a second to find it. No, can we find it? That's not the way to search it. Come on. There we go. Okay. So I took the one out. Maybe that helped. There's Christy. Click on Christy. See if it goes to the same place. Oh, I might actually click on this little circle in the design. So let me click on that. So lagging a little bit because we're recording a video here on Zoom. Huh. All right. No, I know there was a spot where you could find it gave the name and the email and all that. I mean, obviously I got our email from somewhere. It's probably on our lead thing. But anyway, maybe I'll do another video at another time to try to show you guys how to find that. But so anyway, we're blasting out the texts right now. They're going out. I'm going to click back on groups, vMarketing 3. And we've got about 400 people in there. Looks like 2 of them didn't work. Let's go back and click on the reports and see if they're going out. All right, here's the report right here. Yep. Okay, see, so we've got 10 delivered so far, 0 failed. So they're going out. So that just could take the next 20 minutes. They'll be sending out text after text after text. It's not like a blast all 400 at one time. So you will have a little bit of time to respond to these people. As when you're going to do your vMarketing, I said put at least a half an hour aside, because when you send them out, you want to be able to answer. The faster you answer these people back is kind of the better. You don't want to wait hours before responding to somebody. It just doesn't look like it's actually a person responding. So you want to do it fairly quickly. They're going out. That's the good news. It's on autopilot. I don't have to copy, paste, right? For $50 a month, guys, this will help you stay on your game. I'm going to send 400 text messages here in the next like 20 minutes, right? That would take, I mean, if you could figure about 1 minute when you copy and paste and sending it in either Google Voice or Text Now, it's time consuming. It's very easy, but it's free, but it can take you hours, right? It could take, let's say it takes a minute to send a text, 400 texts, that's 400 minutes. That's a few hours, right? Probably 5 hours worth of work, versus I'm sending this all in 20 minutes. Very easy. I can talk to you. I don't have to click, copy, paste. It's doing it all for me. So brilliant. Really like that ease of it. Well worth the $50 a month here. And like I said, when you're capping it out at 5,000, then boost it up to the next level of pricing. Anyway, so hopefully that helps explain, but it's pretty simple. If I wanted to delete a group, let me show you how to delete the group. I've got a vMarketing 1 group that I've already used up, sent out the text messages. I can actually, on groups, click on this group, vMarketing 1. I can go to these 3 little bubbles there, hit settings, and I can go down here to delete vMarketing 1 delete group successfully. So it just deleted all the contacts out of here. As far as I know as well, there's not a cap on how many contacts I can load up into here. So I could load thousands and thousands, but I just want to keep it clean. I've used up that list already, so I went and deleted it. If I'm ready to add a specific one individually, like I said, I could come here on this plus, create a contact or create a group. I'm going to create a contact. I'm just going to keep Christy's information in here. Don't call Christy, guys. Anyway, you put the name in here and put the phone number and hit save. You can create multiple contacts. So let's see what that does. You just choose a CSV file, upload the CSV file, where you could upload multiple at the same time. Let's go back. And now we're just going to wait for them to start coming in. I'll show that on another video. So thanks you guys for watching. We'll talk soon.